Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the necessary and sufficient condition for the Moon's surface given by z is equal to function of x and y to be a developable surface. The necessary and sufficient condition for this surface to be developable is that r into t minus s square is equal to 0. Where r as t, these notations you have already used in the partial differential equations. Here r is the partial derivative, second order partial derivative of z with respect to x, and s is curl to z by curl x curl y, or we can also say this is curl to z by curl y curl x, because for a surface these two partial derivatives they are same. T is given by curl to z by curl y2. So we are to prove this condition for the surface to be developable surface. Now for this we will use the equation of tangent plane. As we already discussed in the previous sections that if we are given a surface given by the equation f of x y z is equal to 0, then at the point x y z on this surface the equation of tangent plane, that is given by x minus x into curl f by curl x plus y minus y into curl f by curl y plus z minus z into curl f by curl z is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent plane at this point of this surface. Now here our given surface is Monge surface, z is equal to f of xy. Now we can write it in the form z minus f of xy is equal to 0. Let us denote this by capital F, which is the function of x, y, z. So from here let us find these three values: curl f by curl x, curl f by curl y, curl f by curl z. So differentiating this partially with respect to x, y and z. So if we differentiate with respect to x partially, from here we get the derivative which is minus curl f by curl x. Partial derivative of this function with respect to y, that is from here minus curl f by curl y, and the partial derivative of this function with respect to z, that is 1. Now we can substitute these three values in the equation 1 here. This equation will become x minus x into the value of this term is minus curl f by curl x plus y minus y into the value of this term is minus curl f by curl y plus z minus z into curl f by curl z, that is 1. So we get this equation. Now because the value of small f, that is equal to z, so substituting curl f by curl x as curl z by curl x, curl f by curl y as curl z by curl y, and throughout multiplying by minus 1 we get curl z by curl x into x minus x plus curl z by curl y into y minus y is equal to capital Z minus small z. Now by our notations in the partial differential equations, this denotes P, curl z by curl y, this denotes Q. So finally the equation of tangent plane becomes P into x minus x plus Q into y minus y is equal to z minus z. Now let us derive the necessary condition. Now in the necessary condition we are given that the Moon's surface z is equal to function of xy. The surface is developable surface. Now because the surface is developable surface, therefore in this equation of tangent plane the arbitrary constants, that should be the function of single parameter. So here this p and q, which are arbitrary constants in this equation, they should be the function of single parameter. Function of single parameter means these two p and q, they are related functions. It means there exists a relation between the two functions p and q. So let us take p is the function of q. So we have denoted by p is equal to phi of q. Now let us find the values of R, S and T one by one. So the value of R, now by definition R is given by the second order partial derivative of Z with respect to X. Now this can further be written as curl by curl X of curl Z by curl X. Now curl Z by curl X, that is P. So this will become curl by curl X of P. Now what is P? P is function of Q, that is phi of Q. So we get from here the value of R is equal to, now its partial derivative with respect to X. Derivative of phi is phi dash, and the derivative of Q with respect to X partially, that is curl Q by curl X. Now this is substituting the value here. Now R is given by phi dash Q into curl by curl X of, the value of Q is curl Z by curl Y. So this will become curl 2Z by curl X curl Y. This is S. So we get the value of R given by phi dash Q into S. Now what is S? S is curl 2Z by curl X curl Y. Now this can further be written as curl by curl Y of curl Z by curl X. Now this is P, and the value of P, that is phi of Q. Now differentiating this partially with respect to Y, so that will become phi dash into the partial derivative of Q with respect to Y. Now the value of Q, that is curl Z by curl Y. So this will become curl 2Z by curl Y2. Now by our notations, this is T. So we get the value of S is equal to T into phi dash Q. Now from the equations number 4 and equation number 5, we eliminate phi dash Q. So dividing equation 4 by equation 5, we get R upon S is equal to S upon T. So from here by cross multiplication, we get R into T is equal to S square. It means RT minus S square is equal to 0. So this gives us the necessary condition for the Morse surface Z is equal to function of xy to be a dwellable surface. So this completes the necessary condition. Now to prove the sufficient condition. Now in the sufficient condition, we are given that R into T minus S square is equal to 0. Now substituting the values of R, S and T, we get, as we already discussed, these values. R is the value curl P by curl X, T is the value curl Q by curl Y, and S, that is curl P by curl Y or curl Q by curl X, because on the surface second order partial derivatives with respect to X and Y, they are same. So this will become, this is actually the Jacobian of the functions P and Q with respect to X and Y, and thus we have obtained the Jacobian of P and Q with respect to X, Y, that is 0. And you already have discussed that if the Jacobian of two functions with respect to two variables becomes 0, then there exists a functional relation between those functions. So here, because the Jacobian of P and Q, that is 0, so we can say that P and Q are they are having a relation between them, or we can say that P and Q, they depends on a single parameter. Thus we can say the arbitrary constants in the equation of the tangent plane of the given surface are the functions of single parameter, and if the tangent plane contains the arbitrary constants which are function of single parameter, then by definition the surface is a dwellable surface. So this proves the sufficient condition for the surface to be dwellable.